This is some news, some DuckDuckGo news. DuckDuckGo, the browser for the privacy-focused individuals who want something other than Google's offering. DuckDuckGo's CEO announced on Twitter that they will downrank sites associated with Russian disinformation in response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And this is posted in the privacy Reddit, so it's actually kind of a mixed response. The most upvoted comment is to quote a laughable DuckDuckGo tweet from 2019. When you search, you expect unbiased results, but that's not what you get on Google. No. So DuckDuckGo has said that this is the unbiased search engine. And then some are looking at this quote and saying, well, now you've introduced bias. Mm-hmm. Mm. However, you have a response here. The second most upvoted comment is saying, well, all search engines work in some way or another around this, attempting to surface the most relevant results. And typically, the most relevant results would be the most accurate, hopefully, or the most authentic and not fake. But it's slippery because you start to try to figure out who has the authority to make these determinations. Google gets the same pressure, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Mm-hmm. Who watches The Watchmen? You know what I'm saying, Will? Mm-hmm. Graphic novel.
Dr. Manhattan.
Dr. Manhattan. That's my guy. That's my guy. He's drawing on the... when he's drawing the thing. Mm-hmm. He's ripped, too. Which is kind of funny. He doesn't really have to be, right?
Yeah, he chooses to.
Yeah, he's just like, it should be ripped. Might as well, I don't know. So be ripped. Anyway, so I don't know how this impacts or affects people. I'd like to know some about this in the comments, especially from DuckDuckGo users. I'm still a low-level Google type. They know everything about me. It's terrifying.
Yeah.
So